Hey guys, it's Jenna. Today we're going to do a dorm room desk back to school college dorm room haul. I think it's a haul because in college, realistically, your desk and your dresser slash makeup getting ready station is all combined into one space. So I decided I was gonna make a video on this. Now today is actually a collab with my girl Savannah, Savvy Sparkle. She's a beautiful human being and she is actually doing a back to school haul as well. So if you guys want to go check that out, I'm gonna have her video linked in the description. Also, don't we love how I already have my Starbucks just like chilling here? I think they knew my name was Jenna. There's an S, but that might be a J. I'm not sure. I don't know, but it looks like an S regardless. Oh, you can see me in the mirror. Hello, my dirty, dirty mirror. First, I just have the classic little station for pens, pencils, and highlighters, but I got this actually last year, and a lot of this stuff is actually from last year because I had all of it already. And then I just have my lamp, which is also from last year because if you didn't know, I'm actually a sophomore in college, so like I had a majority of everything that like you guys are about to see already, but you know, I had to get a little bit of more stuff because you know, gotta live comfortably, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I got this lamp last year. I think it was from Target. It's just a normal lamp. And then I just have my power strip with all of my lovely chargers. And I'm not gonna say her name because she's gonna go off. Y'all know her. She's beautiful. And yes, she's also here with us today. And then I have my beautiful dirty mirror. And then I just have my body lotions, contact solution, my perfume, and then this is actually new. So I really wanted a little organizer where I can put all of just like my headbands, nail clippers, and a bunch of fun stuff like that. Just a place to store it and not look as bulky as some little organizers can look. So I just have this. It's really cute. I think I literally got it on Amazon for like $15. And then I just have this cute little picture frame with the pineapples, and it's so cute. I literally like just printed a picture of a pineapple online and I was like, that's it, that's the one. And then I actually got this stand also this year, just a phone stand, and you know, I got it because I was like, oh, that'd be nice. And honestly, so far I've been here for about like a week and it's honestly really nice. Look at the picture of Ollie's and he's so cute. Above my desk I actually have one of these nice little doohickey things. I don't really know what to call it. It's like a shelf, but it's like not, I don't know. But it's really nice. I got this from Amazon and I just have these little command strips. I think they hold like 2 pounds each, so it's able to hold all of this and hasn't fallen yet. And then I just have some fun pictures, and then this is the shelf and it's just like kind of hanging like that so I can move it wherever I want. And then I just have my Home Sweet Home sign, which I think is from Marshall's, and then this, which I got from Target from last year. So that's like kind of like the outside of what my desk looks like. Oh, and then over here, this whiteboard is actually from last year as well. It's from Target. And then I just got some more markers. Me and Sydney are doing a movie night every week, so we're doing movie night Monday. And this past Monday, we watched The Shining.
Here's Johnny!
Which is what I suggested, and then next week it's Sydney's suggestion, and we are watching Shutter Island, which I'm really excited to watch because I've never seen it before. Yeah, that's the outside of pretty much my desk, and now we'll kind of go into the drawers and stuff. Now this drawer, I hate it when my necklaces tangle, so I just kind of got this. So one of the stores in the mall I go to was closing, and all of their like jewelry storage things like were on sale. So I got this for like maybe like $2. It's great. And then I have my brush, which is disgusting. I need a new one. This is for straightening your hair and whatever, curling iron, straightening iron, whatever. And I honestly, like, I'm so glad I got this. It's just from Amazon. I'm so glad I got it because last year I hated like straightening my hair. I didn't want to put it like right on the desk and I like didn't know what to do. So that is honestly so helpful. My straightener fits perfectly on it, which is amazing. And then in the first drawer next to it, I just have a bunch of school supplies and these little desk organizers, which are awesome. We got some crayons, we got some extra tape, we got some more of the pens that I got from last year. We got some envelopes if I want to mail any letters to anybody. The next drawer is just a bunch of random stuff like wallets that are empty, which I'm swapping out. And then my last drawer, I just have more random stuff. So this is kind of like where I have all my folders and my notebooks for this year. If I have classes on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, those will be one folder, and then my second folder will be my Tuesday, Thursday folder. So right now, because I'm actually filming this on Friday, all of my Tuesday, Thursday stuff is in there, and then all my Monday, Wednesday, Friday stuff is in my backpack right now. I actually had a 10 a.m. this morning, and then me and Sydney actually have to go to oceanography at 1, so that will be fun. But yeah, I think that's basically it. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I post new videos every single Wednesday. Again, this is a collab with my girl Savannah. You guys should definitely go check her out. Definitely go subscribe, show her some love, and yeah, alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.